Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best record player needle is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, components of your record player setup. A worn-out or damaged needle can significantly degrade the audio quality, leading to a muffled, distorted listening experience, and even damage your precious vinyl records. Choosing the right replacement needle ensures optimal sound reproduction and protects your vinyl collection, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music with the clarity and warmth it deserves. In this video, we will explore what makes a great replacement needle and help you find the perfect one for your setup. Number 5. Gartopvoiz Diamond Stylus. Experience richer, clearer audio with this premium diamond stylus. It's designed for effortless installation and compatibility with a wide range of record players. This stylus boasts a diamond ceramic design, ensuring optimal sound quality and durability. Enjoy your vinyl collection like never before with its 4 to 6 gram needle force. Installation is a breeze. No tools are required, you can easily replace your old needle yourself. Get back to enjoying your music in minutes. It plays 33, 13, 45, and 78 RPM records. While compatible with many popular brands like Crosley and Victrola, always check compatibility before ordering. It comes in a protective case to keep it safe when not in use. This ensures its longevity and maintains its pristine condition. Upgrade your listening experience today with this high-quality replacement needle. Enjoy crisp, clear sound from your favorite vinyl records. What we like. It boasts a durable diamond stylus ensuring a long lifespan. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools. If you need a reliable replacement that works across various speeds, this is the one for you. What people say. These are fresh needles for the cheap Digit Now combo system we bought on the Black Friday sale. Actually, I think they're the same stylus used on all the new budget record players. Yes, they work fine. Noticeably better sounding now just because we spin vinyl records all day and wore out the original stylus. I purchased a record player for my fiancée for Christmas. We were heartbroken when we went to play the first vinyl and it sounded incredibly high-pitched. The second vinyl kept skipping. After some looking into it, we realized the needle that it was manufactured with seemed distorted. We ordered this fingers crossed that it would resolve the issue and it did. The music sounds fantastic and Christmas was saved. Totally worth it. I just got these replacement needles, and I have to admit that I'm pleasantly surprised. I had 2 records with skipping issues, one of which, Demon Days by Gorillaz, is actually notorious for skipping in general depending on the pressing you get. My Gorillaz album was unlistenable, with skips on every track. Long story short, they fixed most of the skips on the Gorillaz album and the other problem one, which was by the Foo Fighters. The sound also generally seems a little clearer. Installing the new stylus was a little harder than I expected, in that it took a bit of tinkering to get it to snap on correctly. Overall, I would recommend these. Number 4. 4-pack Ruby record needles. Upgrade your listening experience with this high-quality replacement needle. It's compatible with many popular record players, ensuring crisp and clear audio. Installation is a breeze, no tools are needed. Simply replace your old needle and start enjoying your vinyl collection again. It boasts high-grade ABS plastic and an aluminum arm, along with a conical diamond ceramic needle for extended life and exceptional sound reproduction. Enjoy improved bass response and greater realism with its strong tracking ability and balanced stereo output. Hear your music like never before. Each needle comes in protective packaging to prevent damage during shipping. Always check your cartridge before ordering to ensure compatibility. This needle works with a wide variety of record players, including Crosley, ION, Victrola, and more. If unsure about compatibility, contact us for assistance. What we like. This option provides high-grade materials for superior sound quality. It's incredibly easy to install, needing no tools. If you prioritize audio quality and simple installation, this is a great choice. What people say. High-quality sound, excellent sound quality. It's clear and free from scratchy noises or squeaks. Easy to install, many reviews highlight the ease of installation, making it a hassle-free upgrade for your turntable. I also found it super easy, it just snapped right in. Even at this low price point, these are much higher quality than the ones that came with the turntables. Now we are using these turntables again and they sound great. Number 3. Golden Record Needles, pack of 3. Experience the difference with these exquisite, high-quality needles. They're designed for compatibility with most major record player brands, ensuring a seamless listening experience. These needles boast a conical ruby stylus for strong tracking and exceptional channel balance. Enjoy richer bass and clearer stereo sound with every play. Rediscover your favorite vinyl records with more accurate and pure stereo sound. They'll bring out the delicate nuances of rock, pop, jazz, and more. Installation is a breeze, no tools required. These needles work with 3313, 45, and 78 RPM records, making them incredibly versatile. Each needle comes with a protective cap and is carefully packaged to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. Enjoy extended playing life and flawless sound reproduction. What we like. Its elegant golden stylus not only looks great but also delivers a superior listening experience. The no-skip design ensures smooth playback. If you value both aesthetics and audio fidelity, this is perfect for you. What people say. Easy install, sounds great. The fitment is spectacular, like I stated above, it fits the Sound Design 6822 great. The packaging was top-notch. These fit my Jensen JTA 220 perfectly. The gold color is a nice touch and I am pleased with the sound quality. Number 2. Crosley Vinyl Needle Replacement. Upgrade your listening experience with these high-quality needles. They're designed to deliver crisp, clear audio without damaging your precious vinyl records. These needles boast a durable ABS plastic shell, an aluminum cantilever, and a ruby stylus tip. It's the perfect combination for exceptional sound. They are compatible with a wide range of popular turntable brands, including Crosley, Victrola, and many more. Check if it's right for your player before ordering. Replacing these needles is a breeze. No tools are needed, simply install them by hand. They work with 16, 33, and 45 RPM records. Your purchase includes 5 brand new needles, each with a protective cover. We also include a durable storage box to ensure they arrive safely and stay protected. Bring your vinyl collection back to life with these superior replacement needles. Experience the rich, clear sound they deliver. What we like. Made with premium materials, it guarantees clear audio and protects your records. Installation is effortless, and the packaging ensures safe delivery. If you want a durable, well-protected, and easy-to-install needle, this is it. What people say. Installation was as simple as could be and now the record player works as it should and sounds great. No problem so far. It is definitely compatible, it plays audio clearly. These needles installed easily and play great on a simple player. Number 1. ION Turntable Needle Replacement, 2-pack. This is a replacement stylus for your ION turntable. It's easy to install and ensures your records sound their best. It delivers the same great sound quality as the original needle. Enjoy your vinyl collection again. This replacement needle works with many ION models, including the Profile, Profile Plus, and several others. Check the description for a full list. Installing it is a breeze. Simply replace your old or broken needle with this one. This pack includes 2 needles. Keep one as a backup, so you're always ready to play your favorite vinyl records. Don't let a broken needle ruin your listening experience. Get yours today and rediscover the joy of vinyl. What we like. This replacement needle offers a precise ruby stylus for accurate sound reproduction. It's designed for easy installation and is specifically compatible with many popular ION models. If you own an ION turntable and need a simple, reliable replacement, this is your best bet. What people say. This fit my Technics needle perfectly and it functions and sounds as it did previously, as far as I can tell. Easy fix and I'm able to listen to my vinyl again. Turntable Needle Record Player Stylus Replacement for ION ICT04RS IonTusp 10 was a 2-pack of styluses that worked pretty decently. Slight lighter plastic than the original. The needle itself needed some light easy adjustments to be fully spot on, which I'm guessing is due to shelf wear. Fast, simple installation and my ION turntable is back in action. My old records sound great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.